Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers importing a 1099 NEC print file into the W2 1099 Forms filer. When importing, only one pair's 1099 NEC data can be imported at a time. This process includes converting the print file to a synchronized text file, defining the data on the form with the 1099 NEC field names, saving the field definitions for subsequent imports, and finally importing the data into the 1099 NEC forms. What is a print file? A print file is a file that is created by directing the print output to a file. Start the print process, elect to print the 1099 NEC copy on a red pre-printed form, and print it to a generic text-only printer. When prompted, indicate the directory and file name and make sure to note this information, as it will be needed when importing the data. The output will look like the form without the lines. Once the file is created, the data file can be imported into the W2 1099 Forms filer. Open the program and from the main menu select Utilities, Import Assistant, and then Import from Form Print File. Find and highlight the data import file. If you select the correct location and cannot see the file, change the files of type to all. Click Open. Highlight the form and click Select. Most print files need to be synchronized before the import begins. Synchronizing the file will make sure that the data for each form will print in the same location. During the import, because the forms are synchronized, you only need to define the fields once, and those fields will be defined for all forms. Click Yes. The purpose of synchronizing the file is to make sure that all forms are the same length. This screen gives you some brief instructions. Click OK to continue. Since the company name appears on all forms in the same location, click on the first letter in the company name. This screen indicates that the marker string, in this case the company name, has data 0 lines before it and there are 22 lines before the next marker string. Click OK. At this point the file is synchronized. Click OK. Click OK. If the synchronization looks good, click Quit. Click OK. To continue the import, select the output file, which is the file that has been synchronized. Click OK. Highlight the pair, and click OK. This is the field definition utility screen. The field names are listed in the left panel, and the data is in the right panel. Click FEIN. Next, click on the first character, in the right panel, of the actual FEIN. Notice that the actual FEIN is now highlighted in the right panel, and the field name in the left panel is now checked. Repeat this process and define all data fields. Once all of the fields have been defined, click Import. View any warnings or errors and go back to the field definition to fix. Click Help for information on the other options. Select Import Now and click OK to continue. You can save the settings so that they can be used for subsequent print file imports. Make your selection and click OK. This screen is used to indicate how to import the data. Top should be selected if this is the first import or if the existing forms should be overwritten. Bottom is used to add the import data at the end of the existing forms. To continue, select Top and click OK. The import is complete. Click OK. It is the user's responsibility to verify that the data imported correctly. To verify data, use the print command and select either the table or worksheet report for a brief summary of all forms. For further questions, please review the frequently asked questions on the AMS website, or refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.